How to make an apple pie and see the world. Look, here's an apple. Where do you think is it from? Is it from here? Where is she going? She's falling with the parachute. She has the bag and her mixing tools. Let's go. How to make an apple pie and see the world. Look, she's getting ready to go see the world. Let's go. Making an apple pie is really very easy. First, get all the ingredients at the market. Mix them well, bake, and serve. Here, where is she looking? She's looking at her list of ingredients. What does she need to make an apple pie? She needs apples, flour, sugar, cinnamon, salt, butter, and egg. Then she needs to get everything to mix them well, bake, and serve. Unless, of course, the market is closed. Look, she's at the market, but it's closed. They've gone fishing. Where do you think she is? Is this the Korean flag? Next to the market, what shop is this? Is it a hat shop? Is this the flower shop? The bookstore? Can you see the baby? How many cats can you see? In that case, go home and pack a suitcase. Take your shopping list and some walking shoes. Then catch a steamship bound for Europe. Use the 6 days on board to brush up on your Italian. Look, she's reading a book, and here is her suitcase. Where is she? Is she on an airplane? No, she's on a steamship. Where is the steamship going? It's going to Europe. How long will it take to get to Europe? 6 days. What do you want to do for 6 days? Reading? Flying a kite? Playing badminton? If you time it right, you'll arrive in Italy at harvest time. Find a farm deep in the countryside. Gather some superb semolina wheat. An armful or two will do. Where is she? There are buildings here. She's in the countryside. It's a farm. What time is it? It's harvest time. They're harvesting and picking the wheat. Here's her armful of wheat. What are they doing? They're playing. And the horse and cart are chasing. Can you see the cat chasing the mouse? Then hop a train to France and locate a chicken. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. Where is she going? She's going to Paris from Italy. Here's her suitcase and her wheat from Italy. What does she need? She needs her suitcase and a ticket. French chickens lay elegant eggs, and you want only the finest ingredients for your pie. Coax the chicken to give you an egg. Better yet, bring the chicken with you. There's less chance of breaking the egg that way. Here she is with her suitcase and her wheat from Italy. She's getting the chicken. Why is she getting the chicken? Because the egg could break. Where do you think she is now? Here's the Eiffel Tower. She must be in Paris. Then this must be French. Can you read it? Here's the bike. Let's get on with her chicken from Paris and her wheat from Italy. Get to Sri Lanka any way you can. How is she getting to Sri Lanka? On a boat. Hitch a ride to England. Make the acquaintance of a cow. You'll know she's an English cow from her good manners and charming accent. Ask if you can borrow a cup or two of milk. Even better, bring the whole cow with you for the freshest possible results. How did she get to England? Did she ride a bike? No, she took a car. Here's her chicken from Paris and her wheat from Italy and cinnamon from Sri Lanka. How do we know this is an English cow? Her good manners. They're shaking hands. What do you see in the picture? There's a castle. Stow away on a banana boat headed home to Jamaica. On your way there, you can pick up some salt. Fill a jar with salty seawater. Look, here is the seawater. Does the seawater taste sweet or salty? What kind of boat is she on? It's a banana boat. Can you see the banana peels? What are they doing? They're playing music. Here's the cow from England. She's singing. Here's the chicken from Paris. Look, it looks like the Eiffel Tower. When the boat docks in Jamaica, walk to the nearest sugar plantation. Introduce yourself to everyone. Tell them about the pie you're making. Then go into the fields and cut a few stalks of sugar cane. Look, here's the sugar plantation. You need to introduce yourself to everyone. What does she need? She needs sugar cane. How can she cut it? Better fly home. You don't want the ingredients to spoil. How is she going home? In the airplane, with her chicken from Paris and cow from England. Wave bye-bye. Wait a minute. Aren't you forgetting something? What about the apples? Have the pilot drop you off in Vermont. Here's the pilot. He dropped her off. They need the parachute. Here's the chicken from Paris, the cow from England. What is she holding? She's holding her seawater from the ocean and the wheat from Italy and cinnamon from Sri Lanka. But she forgot the apples. You need apples to make an apple pie. You won't have to go far to find an apple orchard. Pick 8 rosy apples from the top of the tree. Give 1 to the chicken, 1 to the cow, and eat 1 yourself. That leaves 5 for the pie. Then hurry home. Where is she? She's in the apple orchard. What's an orchard? It's where they grow fruit. Look, she's picking the apples. 1 for the chicken from France, 1 for the cow from England, and 1 for her. Who is this? Look, here's her bag with the cinnamon from Sri Lanka and wheat from Italy. How many apples does she have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How is she getting home? On the yellow bus. Let's hurry. Now all you have to do is mill the wheat into flour. Here, she's milling the wheat. She's turning it so that it crushes the wheat into a powder. Grind the corunda bark into cinnamon. She's grinding, poke, 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 the cinnamon into powder. Evaporate the seawater from the salt. Here's the sun. When it's hot, the water goes away and there's salt left. Boil the sugar cane. Here we're boiling and making the sugar cane hot so that the sugar is left. Persuade the chicken to lay an egg. Ask the chicken nicely for an egg. Milk the cow. She's so polite. Turn the milk into butter. You have to mix, mix, mix until the milk turns into butter. Slice the apples. Cut the apples nicely into big pieces or small pieces. Mix the ingredients and bake the pie. We need to mix the wheat, cinnamon, salt, sugar, egg, milk, butter, and apples. Put them into the oven. Be careful, it's hot. While the pie is cooling, invite some friends over to share it with you. Can you touch the pie? Look, it's too hot. We need to wait. Who do you want to share the pie with? Remember that apple pie is delicious, topped with vanilla ice cream, which you can get at the market. But if the market happens to be closed, oh no, look, they're still fishing. Can she get ice cream from the market? Where is she from? She's from America. Here's the post office. You can send a letter. What's next to it? The lock and key shop. You can get the key made. And a bakery. Do you think they have apple pie? You can eat it plain. Look, she's sharing the apple pie. With who? Her friends from Jamaica, Sri Lanka, Italy, Paris, and England. Do you want to share with your friends? They're sharing with the animals too. Look, here's her checklist. She got apples, flour, sugar, cinnamon, salt, butter, and egg from all around the world. Let's see how she got all those ingredients from the world. From America, she took a steamship to Italy to get some wheat. Then she took the train to Paris, France to get a chicken for an egg. Then she took a bike down to get a boat to take her all the way to Sri Lanka for some cinnamon. After Sri Lanka, she caught a ride in a car to go to England for some milk. Then she got on a banana boat and picked up some salt water and went to Jamaica for some sugar cane. After Jamaica, she took a plane, but oh no, she forgot the apples. So she took a parachute to Vermont to get her apples and then took a bus home. Where would you like to go? Would you like to go to Canada, the USA, South America, Greenland? Would you like to go to Africa? What about Russia or China or India? Maybe you want to go to Australia?